The Hertz ECX 165.5 is a 6.5-inch two-way coaxial speaker that sits in the entry-level Energy series from Hertz, a brand known for high-performance car audio gear. It promises solid build quality, smooth treble, and accurate sound reproduction. But while it has the appearance of a high-end upgrade, real-world use reveals several problems that make it less appealing than the brand suggests. First, the MIDBASS is weak. For a speaker at this price point, you'd expect a tighter, more impactful low end, but the ECX 165.5 fails to deliver the punch that makes music feel full and dynamic. The bass is soft and lacks body, especially in non-treated factory door panels. Without a subwoofer to carry the lows, your system may sound thin and incomplete. Second, it's underwhelming without amplification. Although it's rated at 70 watts RMS, running these speakers off a head unit alone leaves them sounding flat and lifeless. They clearly need a clean, well-matched amplifier to open up, which adds cost and complexity to what's marketed as a straightforward upgrade. Third, the highs can become fatiguing. The Mylar Dome tweeters are crisp, but at higher volumes, they can sound sharp and overly forward. This leads to a harsh top end that makes long listening sessions tiring. In vehicles with reflective interiors or hard mounting locations, the tweeter response can quickly become overwhelming. Fourth, the installation isn't always as smooth as advertised. The speaker's oversized frame and relatively shallow depth create fitment issues in many OEM speaker openings. Users often need mounting adapters, spacers, or minor trimming to get them to sit flush, which adds unnecessary hassle during the install process. Fifth, durability is not what you'd expect from Hertz. Despite the Energy series being positioned as a solid step-up option, users report early cone fatigue, cracking surrounds, or tweeter failure after a year or two of use. In hotter climates or with daily use at moderate volumes, they don't always hold up. Sixth, imaging is poor. Because the tweeter is mounted on the woofer's axis without any angle or adjustment, stereo imaging suffers. Vocals don't center well, and the soundstage feels shallow and compressed, especially compared to similarly priced component speaker systems. In conclusion, while the Hertz ECX 165.5 looks like a quality upgrade on paper, its mid-bass weakness, tweeter harshness, and build issues make it a letdown in many systems. For the price, there are more balanced and better performing options that deliver a stronger return on your investment.